Moving on to trebles. As we did in the lower rows, for the double crochet you used 1 chain to turn. On the half treble you used 2 chains to turn. On the treble you will use 3 chains. If I can just explain that when you did the 2 chains at the start of each of the half treble rows, what you're doing is creating a half treble each time. What we're doing on the treble, when we do the 3 chains, we're creating a treble, except that it's just 3 chains. But you need to get the elevation, you need to create the chains to work into when you return so that it all remains even. So if we do 3 chains, turn to page 8 in your Twillies book, and it shows you how to start there. What that does is that instruction is really for a foundation row. We're actually working on a worked row. So 3 chains, hook under the yarn. Don't go into the first chain because that is where you've brought the 3 chains out, so you've created a treble by doing the 3 chains. Go into the next stitch, go into the next chain. Hook under the yarn, hook through the chain, hook under the yarn, bring it through. Now that looks like a half treble, but we're just going to do this slightly differently. Hook under the yarn, bring it through the first 2. Hook under the yarn, bring it through the second 2. And that is a treble. In through the chain, bring the yarn through. Hook under the yarn, bring it through 2. Hook under the yarn, bring it through 2. There you go, you've got your foundation stitch on the hook. Hook under the yarn, through the chain so that you have the 2 yarns on top. Hook under the yarn to bring it through. Hook under the yarn, bring it through the first 2. Hook under the yarn, bring it through the last 2. You can see already that it's taller than the stitches below. Carry on until you've done the penultimate stitch, then I'll join you.